Ah, crap, I lost my phone. Wow, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but that's not an advertisement. I'm not getting paid to do this. All I know is we're out here in the woods and we're having fun. Ah! Here we go into the tunnel. Full throttle! No, that wasn't full throttle. This bike's got a lot more juice in her. I really want to go through the mud pit, but I don't really want to get too wet right now. That little drop down's always fun. Oh, wow, did I just bottom out the front end? I knew I was going to do that. Where is he? I don't hear him. Oh, he's back there. He's a ways back there. 100 faster than a 250. You heard it right here. That was cool. I jumped up and downshifted at the same time. I know it probably doesn't sound too cool, but I don't know. I feel like if there was a third-person shot of that, it would have looked pretty awesome. I get so squirrely on this bike because the tires have absolutely zero tread. These are 3-year-old, nah, maybe 2. Actually, no, I think these tires are like 3 years old. But they still work pretty good. I mean, they're pretty much done, but I still grip fairly well. Riding a slower bike fast really builds your skill level. Because you really got to do everything right to get the bike to go pretty fast. Because on a 250, if you mess up, you just hit it with some throttle and you're good. On this bike, you got to hit everything perfectly. Your corners, your shifts, to get all the speed out of it. Because it's much harder to recover than it is on a 250. I went over the jump and I was like, you know what, I'm going to throw a no-hander. Or I'm going to throw a one-hander. No-hander would be pretty cool. I always say that. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm going to do it. And then, you know, I never actually do it. But hey, that was pretty cool. Actually, I was thinking about throwing a no-footer. But I just went with the one-hander instead. Oh. Just watch this one jump. Just watch it. Oh wait. I did a really nice no-hander, but that time that was a really bad no-hander. Or one-hander. What? You were trying to do what? No-handers or one-handers? Doing some FMX today. Yeah, right. Let's try it again. It hurts. Like if you don't get your hand right on the grip, it doesn't feel well. Ah, I went for a heel clicker. I think I could get the heel clicker actually. I went for a heel clicker.
Why would you even attempt that?
I guess I thought it would look cool. Ow. Wow. What time is it?
11:42.
Okay. Where should we go next?